Hi everybody, so I went ahead and bought, so you guys see it on Facebook like me all the time, so skim-a-round. So I'm like, is this thing actually any good? So I watched some videos on it, and it actually sounds like it's kind of not bad. So it was like, there's two different models. So I got the Pro model, which has it comes with two nylon socks, and I figure with the dogs who are swimming with us in the summertime, it's probably going to hopefully capture more dog hair than the other ones will, so hopefully save our pump and everything. So anyway, so came in the mail yesterday. It's a nice sunny day today, so we'll show hopefully what the old skimmer does, how much water flow it does and all that stuff. And then we'll take this thing out of the box, and then we'll show and see if we can do any kind of a comparison of it. Looks like it pulls in, circulates more water. So that's our experiment for today. So come on and watch me excitedly open a box, and then we'll compare the water flow things. There's the base thing, and then it's supposed to come with a couple of different size rings to match our other skimmer. And this is the little center thing that makes the swirly-do. Your pool skimmer is going to be under this round disc here. You might have two. We have one that measures the water level, but this is going to be for the skimmer. Take the skimmer, and then can I borrow the camera, or do you want to come over here? So there you go. You get to see the water circulation with a regular skimmer. So now we're going to take that one out, and then the new one, the skim-a-round, comes with 3 rings. This is the medium size, so if you put it over the basket that you have, it kind of gives you an idea of the size that you need.
And then you have a dog licking.
Yeah, he licks and eats all the stuff I dig out. Alright, so thanks to my lovely assistant again. She got that out of the plastic. So apparently this sits in the bottom of the basket, like so. And then this little sock thing goes over top. So I figure, so this is the regular model, like the one that's like 35 bucks, doesn't come with the little sock thing. But I figured with...
You can get stockings.
Yeah, probably, yeah. I just figured since we have the dogs and they do get in the pool with us, that it's probably better to have that. So anyway, the thing I think that makes a big difference between this one and that one, see, it's got little feet. I bet you that helps with the flow. Anyway, so we're gonna put this in. And it says in 3 minutes the flow rate should change. So although you don't seem to get the little tornado effect, it seems like it is circulating water a lot more than the other one was. So for 40 bucks I could have done worse, I suppose. But I'd probably just get the regular one without the Pro model, because the socks things seem to kind of limit the water flow quite a bit. And Klondike thinks so.
Lana, stop it!
Because we do have a lot of suction going off to our vacuum, so I went ahead and put the low velocity disc back in it, and it definitely seems to be improving. I think it was that sock that was causing a lot of the problem. So again, I'd probably just avoid that, but it definitely, I think if I put more suction to the skimmer, I think we would get that Bernoulli effect. But like I said, I've got over half of the suction going now to the vacuum. So, but definitely a lot more movement than it was before. So yeah, I guess for 35 bucks, if you get the basic model, you can't beat that. But anyway, thanks for watching.